What's up YouTube? It's Tab the Tech. Today we're going to be doing the home maintenance kit on the John Deere E100. Here we have the maintenance kit purchased straight from John Deere dealership. Comes with everything you need. 2 quarts of oil, air filter, oil filter, spark plug, and fuel filter. So I'll be going ahead and replacing this. My first service, 51 miles, or 51 hours, I should say. Right here shows you what needs to be done. So for 50 yearly or 50 hours, we are due for all that, plus some cleaning. I haven't cleaned it yet. No point of me cleaning it when I'm going to be draining the oil and spilling some gas on it. So after everything is said and done, I'll go ahead and clean the mower deck, get it greased up. All right, so the cap has a twist there, and then you pop off. So you see the cut that they made, so you can twist it and pop it off. Gonna loosen the top cap so it flows faster. As you can see, it flew a little bit faster once I loosened the top cap. So I'm gonna go ahead and let that drain up. And yeah. Wasn't prepared. Wasn't prepared. I just wanted to make sure there was no more extra oil in there, so that should be pretty much it. Lock it up. Now that we have drained the oil, we're gonna go ahead and take off the oil filter. So I don't have anything to take this oil filter off. So I'm gonna have to use my gun. I'm getting it. Whew. There it goes. You guys can see. Okay. It does say, oh, I'm dripping everywhere. It does say hand tighten only, so. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna make a mess here. Let me always want to take some oil and lube this up. Lube it up. Okay. Pop that back on. So I consider that hand tight. So you just pop it out like that, and we're gonna go ahead and find us a ratchet to take that out. Like I said earlier, it is a 5/8. Just poke it loose. I'm spinning it out with my hand. Voila. This is it. Oh, there it is. Voila. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the new one and put that in there, put that back, keep it moving. Old one, new one. Again, purchased from John Deere directly, so everything should match up. Isn't really tight. I should look up the specs for torque, but I am just gonna, that's it. You know, can't loosen my hands, but it's not stupid tight. Put our coil back in. Make sure it clicks, not touching the exhaust. Boom. Might have to work with the top first. I don't know where my short needle noses are. This is why I have one. Alright, as you guys can see, I've gotten it out. A lot of gas dripping. But here is the old filter. New filter. That's what it looks like. Let's go ahead and get it popping in there. Like that. Push it all the way in. Last but not least, this is the final step. The fuel filter. Pop. Lift it up. Just like that. New one. Pop it in. This correctly. Guys, that is how you do the home maintenance kit on your John Deere E100. Like, subscribe, comment, concerns, anything that you do better that I didn't do, anything that I did good that you didn't think about, please leave it in the comment section. Till next time, Tabitha.